Hello, this is Lauren Scabby from Youth Services, and today we are going to teach you how to build your own garden. What you will need. First, you will need seeds, a spot to grow your garden, fertilizer, lots and lots of water, and a hard-working attitude. Once you've found a place to grow your garden, you can use a shovel and start creating your own rows. As you can see, my family's garden is very large, and we received help from local farmers and their equipment. Gardening is a fun activity and can include the whole family. Once you have made the rows, remove some dirt and create a hole. Then, pour some fertilizer in the hole. The nutrients in the fertilizer will help the seed to grow. For my family's garden, we use partially grown plants and seeds. When planting the seeds, place 5 seeds in each plot and make sure the seeds are evenly spaced. Gently push each seed 1 inch into the soil and then pat the soil to make a flat surface. It is best to plant 5 seeds because not all of your seeds will grow. Our family started by watering each plant individually with water pails. When the plants were big enough, we began irrigating. You can do this with a simple garden hose. Our family needed something a little bit bigger. We irrigated our garden twice a week. Be careful not to overwater your garden because you risk drowning your plants. Weeding is an important part of gardening. Weeds like this one can kill your plant. It is always best to pull them out while they're little. If you're hardworking and consistent with watering and weeding your garden, your plants will begin to produce. With gardening, you'll see that your hard work pays off in abundance.